Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade drone. First, let's gather our core components. You'll need a flight controller, 4 motors, 4 electronic speed controllers, and a sturdy frame. Don't forget propellers and a battery, typically a 3s or 4s LiPo. Having a soldering iron, wire cutters, and heat shrink tubing will make assembly much smoother. We'll cover each part in detail. Now, let's start assembling. Begin by attaching your motors to the frame arms, ensuring they are oriented correctly. Next, connect each electronic speed controller to its respective motor. These regulate power. Then, carefully mount your flight controller in the center of the frame, making sure it's level. Proper placement is crucial for stable flight. Wiring can seem complex, but it's manageable. Solder the power leads from your electronic speed controllers to a power distribution board, then connect this to your battery. Next, link the electronic speed controllers and your radio receiver to the flight controller. Double-check all connections for polarity and secure any loose wires with zip ties or electrical tape. Safety first. Before flying, calibrate your flight controller and radio transmitter. Ensure all controls respond correctly. For your first flight, choose a wide-open space, clear of obstacles. Start with a gentle hover to check stability. You might need to adjust some flight parameters in the controller software to fine-tune its performance. Enjoy your homemade drone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.